What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com, and today we're doing a market recap on Monday, July 30th, 2018 on the S&P 500. And you know what? We were talking about over the last couple weeks key levels to break out of, and we were watching this level as of late as a trigger area for price action to break out of, get long, hold, and move higher towards all-time highs. We talked about the fact that there was some zone resistance that was challenging price action to move higher. You can see that it's essentially set through here and then retested and moved sideways through here. Price action did break out, hold it, and then move higher. But today's close, being Monday, did close a little bit lower, and it did test the inside of that zone resistance level, now essentially checking it as zone support for now. The challenging portion that I have with this particular chart is that you can see the price action has broken out of that consolidative situation. It's broken up higher. It did check this level that we talked about, but then immediately over a 3-day period, it reversed. It broke out, moved sideways, sold back off, and then confirmed the sell-off to the downside, and we are now losing momentum on that MACD histogram. And I'm a big supporter of the MACD histogram. I pay a lot of attention to signal lines getting crossed down on and just general momentum coming off. And this isn't looking particularly fantastic. Now, I was reading a little bit of news, and it suggested that a lot of this downwards momentum is sort of tied towards FANG stocks not doing particularly well. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, pardon me, are all off more than 10% from its last previous high, and so a lot of that is weighing on the S&P 500. Super important to remember that the FANG stocks and technology, generally speaking, have the heaviest weighting on the S&P and the movement, so to the upside. So if FANG stocks are not doing well, if tech, generally speaking, isn't doing well, there is going to be some pressure put on the S&P, and you know, the S&P through sympathy moves alone, and poor earnings and stuff like that that makes those tech stocks come off, will put pressure on the S&P to also move lower. So S&P 500 right now, just generally, again, chilling out in this area. What we'd be looking for the bulls is we would need to see this level as a new trigger get taken out. So this range needs to get held right through here. This candle needs to be reversed onto the upside. And we need to see this actually play out as an active flag. So right now it's sort of preamble to a flag. The momentum I don't like, so that would deter me from looking at this as a potential flag. But if it does come back and hold a couple of these levels or the moving averages, it could potentially build out a flag that could potentially break higher to the upside. And if a bull flag breaks out, plays out, and confirms, then we would most definitely, using this as a measurement tool, the flagpole applied to the breakout, we would definitely see all-time highs for the bulls. Now, on the bear side of things, and this is very, very much a potential reality as well, as we do have this trend line support right through here. It's not the cleanest, but it does connect. And what I'd be looking for down through here is this, 26.96. This would be sort of a new checkpoint that if we got short right at this level, we could see a dramatic sell-off in the S&P, generally speaking. Now, we do have a lot of moving average support that is working on our side as it stands. If we were to count moving averages and trend lines right now, you essentially have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of support that price action has to take out to get to those lower levels. I don't think that there's enough downside momentum to actually do that. Now, this is just me looking at the chart. With all that said, on the bear side, 26.96 is a checkpoint. If that's taken out, the market is definitely going to go lower. If this high level right through here is taken out at around 28.50, then we could see some more upside movement in the S&P 500. That is the market cap today. If you want to know more about what we're personally trading, there's actually a link below. Click the link below. Sign up for Ask a Trader. We host it on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We've decided to give it out absolutely free. You just signed up, send us an email, and we will return that email with a invite to Tuesdays and Thursdays Ask a Traders. Bring your questions. We're going to do more market review, and we'll go over the stocks that we've been trading. We actually had a really big week so far, and we'll be reviewing those stocks and a lot of our swing trade option stocks that we've been watching as well. And again, that link is just below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification button because we send these out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to recap the market, just to keep you in the loop. My name is Julian. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com.